So the problem goes like this. If 2x plus 3 bracket 5x minus 4 flower bracket 8 minus bracket 2x minus 1, and then we close the brackets, plus 6 is equal to 3x minus x plus 5x minus 1 plus 25. And we have to solve for x. Now, since these are problems with a lot of brackets, we are supposed to first remove the brackets. Now, removal of brackets starts from the innermost bracket. So the innermost bracket, it has to be removed first, and then the flower brackets, that will become the next innermost bracket, and then the square brackets. These will be removed at the last. Okay, so the first step, we removed the innermost brackets. Now, how did we remove the innermost brackets? We multiplied the number which is outside the bracket. So if you see the expression minus 2x minus 1, so we multiplied minus 1 for the whole expression, and we removed the bracket on the LHS side. Now on the RHS side also, we had an expression which is nothing but 5x minus 1. Here there was no minus sign and it was plus, so plus 1 we multiplied throughout the bracket, and we removed the innermost bracket in the step number 1. Now after step number 1, in step number 2, we went on and took out the flower bracket. Now for flower bracket, again you have to understand that which is the innermost bracket. Now in this first step, if you consider which is the innermost bracket, it will be this flower brackets, right? So we removed the flower bracket. How did we do? We took the whole expression minus 4 into 8 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so we multiplied minus 4 for the whole expression here on the LHS. So we got this expression, 2x plus 3 will remain as it is, 5x will remain. After 5x, this expression which we multiplied will come, that is minus 32 plus 8x minus 4 plus 6. Okay, this will come completely. Now after this, we have on the RHS, we have the other part, that is minus x minus 5x minus 1. Okay, x minus 5x minus 1. Now since there is minus, so outside we have to multiply it with minus 1. So minus 1 into the whole expression will give you the answer on the RHS. Okay, so once you get the answer like this on LHS and RHS, you will complete your step number 2. Now if you see in step number 2, we do not have the normal brackets as well as the flower brackets. We have removed both of the brackets. Now what is remaining for us to remove is just the square brackets. Now let us remove that square brackets also. Now how do we remove that square brackets? Let us check the expression once again. Now if you see the expression, 2x plus 2x will remain. Now after 3, there is the bracket, right? So 3 into 5x minus 32 plus 8x minus 4 plus 6. You are supposed to multiply 3 for the whole expression. So what do you get? 3 5s are 15x, 3 into minus 32, 3 into plus 8x, 3 into minus 4, 3 into plus 6. So you're supposed to multiply plus 3 for the whole expression. And if you see on the, this is LHS, but if you see on the RHS side, there is no more brackets which are available. So we only have to remove this bracket. Now that can be done by multiplying 3 with the whole expression. So once we multiply 3 with the whole expression, now let us see what is the answer that we got in step number 3. Okay. Now in step number 3, if you see, you have got 2x plus 15x minus 96 plus 24x minus 12x plus 18x. This is onto your LHS, and then onto your RHS, you have 3x minus x minus 5x plus 1x plus 25. Now after this, All that we have to do is just simplification of the numbers and the variables. Now let us see how many x are there available on the LHS. Now first you have 2x plus 15x, then plus 24x. These are the x that we have. So when you add all of them, you have x here, and then when you add all of them, 5, 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, you get 41x. Correct? You get 41x here. So this side 41x. Then let us see the numbers. Now when you are thinking about the numbers, you'll have minus 96 minus 12 plus 18. Okay, minus 96 minus 12 plus 18. Now can you find out and say me what is the resulting number that you get? Minus 96 plus minus 12 and plus 18. Calculate directly in the calculator. You get minus 90. So 41x minus 90 is equal to, this is your LHS. Now let us go to your RHS. Now on to RHS, we have how many x? Let us find out. 3x minus 1x minus 5x. Okay, minus 5x. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 5 is minus 3x again. Correct? Minus 3x we get. Then coming to numbers, 1 plus 25 is 26. So this is the simplification that we get later. Now after this, let us go to the next step. Now next step is getting x, all the x to one side. Now let us take this minus x to the other side. So minus 3x. So what will we get? 41x plus 3x is equal to 26. If I get minus 90 to the other side, it will become plus 90. Yes. So 41 plus 3x will give me 44x, which is equal to 26 plus 90 is 116. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 116 divided by 44. Now what you can do, one more thing is, you can just simplify them a little. How do you simplify? Let us find out a number which will go or which will divide both the numbers. Let us check 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, that is 44. Then 4 twos are 8, 3 will be remaining. So 36, right? 4 nines are will give you the answer. So if you simplify like this, hold on. If you simplify like this, you get x is equal to 29 by 11. You can stop it until 116 by 44 also without simplification. But if you simplify and give the number, it will be much easier for the examiner to understand your answer. Everybody understood this question? Any doubts until here? Okay, now listen. So 3x minus, and then we have bracket 3 plus x minus 3 plus x, and there is completely bracket. So we are supposed to start from the innermost bracket, and onto your RHS you have 5 plus 2x. Okay, we have 5 plus 2x onto the other side. Now let us remove the bracket one by one. So in the first step, I'm going to rewrite the first few expressions as it is. 3 plus flower bracket x, and then after this is what we have to calculate. Minus into 3 plus x. Now since there is minus, it is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 into 3 will give me minus 3. Minus 1 into x will give me minus x. So by multiplying this, I have removed this brackets. So then you will have flower bracket and the square bracket remaining is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay, understood? Did you all understand the first step? Good, Sindhu. X is equal to 5. Okay. Next, after this, now let us remove the flower brackets. Now for removal of flower bracket, I will keep the first expression as it is. Okay. 3. Now after this, plus x minus 3, sorry, minus x. This is the expression we have to remove the brackets. So since there is no number, it is plus 1. So plus 1 into x will give me plus x. Plus 1 into minus 3 is still minus 3. Plus 1 into minus x is still minus x. So which means by multiplication, I have removed this bracket and now I only have the square brackets is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay, so that was step number 2. Now moving on to the next step. Now I have the last bracket, that is nothing but square brackets. Now let us remove that. After 3x, now the next expression, minus 3 plus x minus 3 minus x. Now if there is nothing, I assume it to be 1. Okay. No. Wait, Sindhu. Do not, cancel everything immediately. Don't cancel everything. We have to remove brackets, and only after that we will be able to, remove the, or do the simplification. Before that, don't cancel saying it plus and minus 3. Don't do that. Okay. Now minus 1 into 3. Why we are not doing that? Because once you multiply minus for the equation, all the signs will change. So at that time you have to simplify. So until and unless you remove all the brackets, please note everyone, until and unless you remove all the brackets in the equation, you are not supposed to do any simplification. Okay, don't do any simplification until that. Now let us see 3x. Now minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into plus x is minus x. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 3 ones are 3. Now if you see, again it is changing. Next, after this we have again minus 1 into minus x. So it is plus x is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay. Now, until here, any doubts? Yeah. Now if you are able to cancel it, no problem. You can do it. There is no problem with that. But let us see what can be done. Okay. Okay, good. Now let us check. Now if you see, you have minus 3 plus 3 minus x plus x. Now you can cancel, but do not cancel in the step 2. Don't do that blunder. Okay. Now after this, what is remaining with us? Now we have 3x is equal to 5 plus 2x. Okay, 3x onto the LHS, onto the RHS, we had 5 plus 2x. Now let us take 2x to the other side. So 2x to the other side is 3x, 2 plus 2x, if it comes to the other side, becomes minus 2x is equal to 5. Okay, I'll just solve the left out part here. So how much do you get? 3x minus 2x is x, which is equal to 5. You get a direct answer saying x is equal to 5. Okay, any doubts until here? Okay, so the next type of problem is the fraction type. Now here what you are supposed to do is, we are supposed to write down the whole question once again. So they have asked us solve for x. So x plus 2 divided by 5 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. So x plus 2 divided by 5 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. So this is the problem that is given to us. Now the easiest way of solving this problem is by cross multiplying the problem. Okay, the easiest way of solving the problem is by cross multiplying the problem. So we are going to take 2 to the numerator to the other side, and we are going to take 5 numerator to the RHS side. So now let us do this. So by cross multiplying, you have to write this because the examiner will not know what is the method that you have used. So by cross multiplying 5, or you can make it as 2 into 2, I am taking it up, right? So 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 5 into x minus 1. Okay, 2 I have taken to the numerator, this side 5 I have taken to the numerator, and it is division. When you change sides, it will become multiplication. Okay, next now let us simplify this. We have to take out the brackets. So 2 into x is 2x. Good, Sindhu has given the answer. Then 2 2s are 4. On to the RHS, 5 into x is 5x. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Okay, 2x plus 4 is equal to 5x minus 5. Any doubts until here? Okay, Bindushri, good, correct answer. Now, let us simplify it quickly further. Now, we will take all the x to one side. Now, what we will do is, we will keep 4 here. We will get 5 from the other side. So, 4 plus 5. And we will keep 5x as it is. We will get 2x from the other side. So, minus 2x. Okay, now let us simplify this quickly. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 is equal to 5x minus 2x is 3x. So x is equal to 9 divided by 3. So we can easily simplify this. 9 ones are 9 3, sorry, 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So this is how you solve the problem when you have fraction. Good. Many of them have got the answer. Did you all understand? Everybody understood this problem? Good. Then let's go to the next problem. Similar one, very similar one. Okay, but here you don't have two expressions, but you have expressions to one side and numbers to the other side. Okay, so let us solve this problem also. First, write down the question. X plus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 7 by 3. Now, again here, by cross multiplying, okay, by cross multiplying, 3 I will take it up, x minus 2 I will take it on to the RHS. So, 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 7 will remain there into x minus 2 will go up, x minus 2. Okay, so we have just cross multiplied here once again. Understood? Good. X is equal to 5. Okay. Now let us do the simplification. 3 into x is 3x. 3 2s are 6. 7 into x is 7x. 7 2s are minus 14 because it is 7 into minus 2. So we will interchange the values of x and the constant. Okay, now let us get 14 to the other side and let us take 3x to the other side. Okay, so what will become 6 plus 14 is equal to 7x minus 3x. Now why am I doing this? So that we get easy and positive answer quickly. Okay, now next 6 plus 14 is 20 is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4x. 7 minus 3 is 4x. So x is equal to 20 by 4. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 fives are x is equal to 5. Okay, so everybody got x is equal to 5. Very good. Any doubts until here? Did everyone understand? Minus 3. Okay, so this is the problem that we are going to solve now. Now in this problem, we are supposed to again follow the same step of cross multiplication only. Okay, but the the expressions that is given to us are increasing from one problem to another problem. So that is what is important for us to learn. Okay, I'm being on a little quick pace because we have already solved enough number of problems in multiplication of equations and division and all that. Okay, so is that okay? The speed is fine for you? Okay, so let us continue. Now again, we will write down. We are going to write down the question 2x minus 7 by 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so that is the complete question here. Okay, just hold on a second. So first we wrote down the question. Now by cross multiplying, now we are supposed to multiply both of them from here till to the other side. Okay, so I'll just change the color so it will be easy for you to understand. So we will keep 2x minus 7 onto one side as it is, and then we will multiply this with x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 will be onto the same side. Okay, Sindhu got the answer 9 by 10. Good. Others also can try solving. There's no problem. Okay, if you're not able to, you can concentrate here and learn. Then 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is the expression that we get after cross multiplication. Now let us simplify this cross multiplication, whatever we have got. So first 2x into x will give me 2x square. Correct? So I have 2x minus 7 into x minus 3. So 2x into x will give me 2x square. 2x into minus 3. 2 3s are 6. So I get minus 6x. Then minus 7 into x is minus 7x. And minus 7 into minus 3 is 7 3s are 21. Minus into minus is plus. So I get plus 21. Did you all understand the first expression? How did I multiply? Be very careful with the signs. Once again, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is also minus. But if you have plus into plus, it is plus only. Okay, so that is your first expression. Now, going on to the second part of the expression, that is x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. So, x into 2x is 2x square. Then x into plus 1 is plus x. Then 3 into 2x is 3 2s are plus 6x. 3 into 1x is, wait, both are plus, yeah. So plus x plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, so this is what we have got the expressions after multiplying or after cross multiplying. Now, next step is to simplify the numbers. Now, what we will do, we will take this whole RHS, right hand side to left hand side. Okay, now if we get everything to the left hand side, the signs will change, correct? So what will happen? 2x square minus 6x minus 7x plus 21. Okay, this will remain as it is. Now after this, I'm gonna get all the other numbers from the right hand side to the left hand side. Now plus 2x square will become minus 2x square. Plus x will become minus x. Plus 6x will become minus 6x. Plus 3 will become minus 3 is equal to 0. So did you all understand this? I'm just getting all the expressions from right hand side to the left hand side. Yes? Any doubt still here? Okay. Now let us simplify this. Now if you see, you have plus 2x square, you have plus 2x square, and you have minus 2x square. Can you see that? So I have cancelled them. Plus 2x square is there, minus 2x square is there, so I have cancelled them. But if you see, you have minus 6x and minus 6x. So minus 6x and minus 6x you cannot cancel. So what we will do, we will simplify. Let us go on to the next step and simplify them. Now in the next step, when we simplify, let us consider what all x do we have. You have minus 6x, minus 7x, and again minus 6x and minus x. So since everything is minus, add all the numbers, but you have to keep the minus sign as it is. So how much do you get? You get 20x minus 20x you get. Okay, so that will be the x values that we will be getting from the expression. So we have minus 20x, and then let us check the numbers. We have plus 21 and minus 3. So how much do we get? Plus 21 and minus 3, we get plus 18. We get plus 18. Yes. So what we are going to do is, in the next step, minus 20x plus 18 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. If you see the last step here, we have taken it as is equal to 0. Right? So that is y is equal to 0. Now you can take, either you can take 20x to the other side, or you can take 18 to the other side. Both will work. Okay. So what we will do is minus 20x is equal to, I am taking 18 to the other side, so minus 18. Fine. Now x is equal to minus 18 by 20. Sorry, minus 20. Now since there is minus in both numerator and denominator, we will cancel that, and let us divide both with 2. 2 tens are 20, 2 nines are 18. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 10. Understood? Everybody understood until here? Any doubts? Okay. Now let us try and solve this one problem for this class, and rest we will continue in the next class. Okay. So go through all the problems, revise all the problems today itself, so that you'll be able to solve and remember everything. Okay. Now let us solve this. So you have 5x minus 8 divided by 5x plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 3 divided by, this is plus, 3x plus 5. Okay. So again, by cross multiplying, what do we get? 5x minus 8 will remain as it is, and I will get 3x plus 5 is equal to, here 3x plus 3 will remain as it is, and we have 5x plus 7. So this is what we get. Now let us start multiplying each of them. Now coming to multiplication, 5x into 3x will give me 5 3s are 15x square. Correct? I get 15x square, and then 5x into 5 5 5s are 20.